Scheduling invoices to go out automatically is a game changer for any business, saving time and ensuring you're paid on time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up automatic invoice scheduling so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. Stick around till the end because I've got a special deal just for you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to choose a software that supports automatic invoice scheduling. I've tested a ton of options, but I'll be showing you the software we'll be using today, and I've included an exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along. Once you've logged into your software, head to the invoicing section. It should be easy to find. In most platforms, this will be either in your dashboard or the Billing or Payments tab. Here, you'll need to create a new invoice or select one of your existing templates. Make sure that all the details are accurate, like your client's information, the service or product they're being billed for, and any relevant dates. Now, look for the option to schedule your invoice. This is typically right next to the Send button or in the settings for the invoice itself. Once you select Schedule, you'll be able to choose the date and time for when the invoice should be automatically sent out. Some systems allow you to set this for a specific date or repeat it on a regular interval like weekly, monthly, or even quarterly. Before you confirm, double-check the frequency settings if you're opting for recurring billing. You want to make sure that it matches the payment terms with your client, whether that's a one-time payment or an ongoing subscription. Also, don't forget to enable email reminders if your software offers that feature. This can help ensure your clients don't miss the invoice. Once you've reviewed everything, hit Schedule, and that's it. Your invoice will be sent out automatically at the time you've set. If you're looking for a tool to make this process even easier, the software we've been using in today's tutorial has a lot of additional features like automatic late fee tracking and client payment portals. So be sure to check out that exclusive free trial in the description below. Now, the key takeaway. Scheduling invoices automatically helps you stay on top of your payments without lifting a finger. With just a few clicks, you can make sure invoices go out on time, every time. To recap, 1. Choose the software that suits your needs. 2. Create your invoice or use a template. 3. Set the schedule and payment frequency. 4. Hit Schedule and relax. Your invoices are good to go. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.